Hello, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel Legal Knowledge by Shazia. Today, let us start with a new chapter that is the first case in Law and Lawyers by M.K. Gandhi. The chapter 5 is the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji, how he practiced and how he puts so much of efforts in learning different laws, Indian laws, like Indian Evidence Act and Civil Procedure Act, etc. So let us start with this new chapter that is the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji, that is in the Law and Lawyers. Here I have mentioned the details of the first case, how Gandhiji was suffered. Gandhiji was living in Bombay. As you all know that Gandhiji was living in Bombay. Then he decided to learn different laws, that is started reading the Indian laws and experiments in dietetics with his friend Veerchand Gandhi. Gandhiji started reading the Indian laws and his experiments in dietetics. Dietetics is nothing but it is a study of food which we eat and the effects which on the health. So that is called dietetics. Please remember that dietetics is nothing but it is a study of food and the effects on the human beings. So this is the there Gandhiji started here learning Indian laws, especially his experiments in dietetics with his friend Veerchand Gandhi. Next, the study of Indian laws was very monotonous and tedious, like Civil Procedure Act and Indian Evidence Act. Monotonous and tedious. Monotonous and tedious means never changing and boring. Gandhiji feels that it is a very boring subject, especially Civil Procedure Act and Indian Evidence Act, because he is not getting the knowledge of that and is not understanding the concept of Civil Procedure Act and the Evidence Act. So that's why he feels like boring. Then his friend Veerchand Gandhi. Veerchand Gandhi was preparing for solicitor's exam and tell all the stories about barristers and vakils. As you all know that who is solicitors. Solicitors is nothing but an advocate, lawyer. So his friend Veerchand Gandhi, so he was preparing for solicitor's examination and he narrate all the stories to M.K. Gandhi about the barristers and the vakils. Then he told about especially Sir Firoz Shah's ability, which was very good. He liked very much Firoz Shah's ability was very good because he got a profound knowledge of law. Firoz Shah has so much of knowledge about the law. So Veerchand Gandhi is telling about his knowledge about the law of Firoz Shah, how he is putting efforts in learning law. So like that, the Veerchand Gandhi is explaining about the Firoz Shah's ability in learning law. He had many laws at his tips. Even Firoz Shah is very intelligent and got so much of skills in learning law, and he's by hearted many sections and law at his tips. So next, Badruddin Tabji, another wakil, another solicitor, that is Badruddin Shah. Badruddin Tabji. Badruddin Tabji, he is very much expert and he got a very good argumentative skill. Argumentative skill is very interesting and it is impressive to all the judges in the court. So, like that, Veer Chand Gandhi expressing his opinions regarding the Wakils and the barristers to Mahatma Gandhi ji. First, he mentioned Firoz Shah and then Badruddin Tabji. So both of them, even Tabji, he got a very good argumentative skills, and Firoz Shah, he got a very much profound knowledge of law. Then Gandhiji's expenses were mounting every month. Mounting means increasing. As you all know that Gandhiji is studying law and is practicing law, and he belongs to a poor family. He got a financial problem. Along with that, he purchased so many books to read and to learn the different laws. Along with that, day by day, monthly expenses were day by day going on increasing. Then, in the meantime, Gandhiji developed liking Evidence Act and read Mion's Hindu law with a deep interest. Mion's Hindu law means Hindu law, that is a author's name here mentioned. The Hindu law with a deep interest. First, he gave more importance to Civil Procedure Act and Evidence Act. Now he is reading the Hindu law with a deep interest. But he was still not confident to fight his first case. He felt like a newly wedded bride. He was not confident. Even Gandhiji got not confident, and he was not confident how to fight with the first case. Then again he is telling that he is confident to fight his first case. He felt like newly wedded bride. He is feeling like a newly wedded bride. Then he took up the first case of Mummy Bai. Mummy Bai, the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Try to remember, the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji was the Mummy Bai's case. Here, Gandhi ji asked for a commission in this case, but it was declined. So, the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji, it was Mummy Bai's case. There, he charged rupees 30 for this case because it was just a day's work. Gandhiji thought that it is a one day work or a day's work, so he charged rupees 30. Now, he was fighting on the defendant side. He had to cross examine and cross question to plaintiff evidence. Now, Gandhiji took the case of Mummy Bai, and he charged rupees 30 in this case. And then, why he charged rupees 30? Because he felt that it is a day's work. It does not take a lengthy period or a lengthy time. And then he was fighting on the defendant side. Now Gandhiji had to cross examine or cross question to the plaintiff evidence. Then, as soon as he stood, like his heart sink and feel ill, he was all numb and could not utter a single word. Although firstly, I have told you that Gandhiji was not confident in his case. In this case, Mamibai's case, even he tried very much, but he had to suffer, and then his heart become very sick and he feel ill. Now he does not know that he does not know how to follow up this case and how to proceed with the case, and he does not even have complete a single word. Then he sat down and told his agent to set Mummy Bai with Mr. Patel. Mr. Patel, who charged rupees 51, and it was a cakewalk for him. What do you mean by cakewalk? Cakewalk, it is a easy going. As you know that Mr. Patel, he is also one of the advocate or solicitor who was an expert. So Gandhiji transferred this case to Mr. Patel, who charged rupees 51, and it was a very easy case to Mr. Patel. Gandhiji left the court shamefully and thought that not to take any other case until he was courageous. Now Gandhiji decided that not to take any other cases till he become the courageous, because he is not confident with the case and he does not know how to proceed with the case. That's why Gandhiji decided not to take any other case till he become a courageous. Then later Gandhiji took his next case in South Africa. There was an another case of poor Muslim who wanted a memorial to be drafted. So Gandhiji got another case. First case is Mamibai. Then that case was transferred to Mr. Patel. Then again he got another case of Muslim, that where in this case one of the memorial has to be drafted. Gandhiji did it successfully and approved his friends. This gave him a little bit confidence, but he worried that just drafting a memorial is not enough to eat bread on their plates. Now Gandhiji got some confidence with this, and he drafted a memorial, which gave him a very good confidence. But he worried that was just drafting memorial is not much money to lead a happiest life. So he's got some success in this case, because he did very well, and he did what he has written, what he drafted a memorial which was successfully proved. Then he thought of teaching English to matriculation boys. Only drafting the memorial is not enough money to Gandhiji to lead a life. That's why Gandhiji decided to teach English language to matriculation boys. Then what he did, he applied to a school as a teacher, but was denied the job because he was not a graduate. Even Gandhiji, after having strong command on the various subjects because of the lack of resources. Now, Gandhiji decided to teach English language English language to matriculation boys, but he sent a resume to the principal of that college, but the resume was cancelled and was rejected because Gandhiji was not done any graduation with regarding the particular subject. Even Gandhiji has so much of command, he has an ability and a capability of doing or teaching knowledgeable subject, but even though he has not a graduation, that's why he got rejected, and having a strong command on the various subjects, because of the lack of resources he was rejected. Then this made Gandhiji switch back to Rajkot. Then he decided to go back to Rajkot and continue his drafting work there among his family, and hence his small establishment in Bombay was closed. Then Gandhiji decided to back to Rajkot, and he again continued with his work, that is drafting a memorial or drafting any agreements, and there he got so much of money, and he is enjoying with the family because he is living with the family, elder brother and with a parent. So that's why he feels somehow happy, because he is living with a family. Along with that, he is doing a work of drafting the memorial. Now he is living in the Rajkot. So now the small establishment he was done in Bombay, it was closed. Lastly, he endured few habits in order to survive in a costly city like Bombay, where he was walking to his office and back to home, which, according to him, is still paying him with lots of benefits. He points out the walk of Dundee March. Lastly, Gandhiji, what he endured the habits to survive in the costly city like Bombay. There he was walking to his office. So where Gandhiji is now, he is residing in the Rajkot along with his work. He is living enjoyable. He is enjoying and living with his family. And according to him, it is still it is paying him lots of benefits to Mahatma Gandhi ji. So this is about the uh, chapter, that is the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji. This is a important question for your examination point of view. Now, what I have mentioned here, please take down the screenshot if you want a study material or a notes with regarding this. You can take the screenshot, or if you want in a very detailed notes, you can contact me in a what I have prescribed, the what I have mentioned in my channel, that is a contact number, so you can go through that. So I think you have all know, of you have understood about the chapter, the first case of Mahatma Gandhi ji. Thank you guys, thank you one and all. So if you want more notification with regarding this channel, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.